Hello students, hope you are keeping well. So happy new year to all of you. Let us start this year with a hope that we all will be happy and healthy. Let us be positive. Okay, let us start with the chapter that is ratio and proportion. So we start with the concept that is ratio. By now, I hope you must have gone through the PPT which I uploaded. Ratio basically is, suppose we want to compare, okay, two things. Let us take a very simple example. Suppose I say that in a class the ratio of boys to girls is 2 is to 3. Let us say I said it is 2 is to 3. That means if there are 2 boys, I said 2 boys, okay, and 3 girls. So if I say the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 2 is to 3, that means if there are 2 boys, then there are 3 girls. So that means if there are 5 students, what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So if there are 5 students, out of 5 students, boys will be 2 and girls will be 3. I can also say that if I have 20 boys, then the girls will be 30. Why? Because their ratio has to be same. Because if I write 20 is to 30, 20 is to 30 means 20 by 30, 0, 0 cancel, you are getting 2 by 3. Clear? So again 2 is to 3 means it can also be written as 2 by 3. Clear? So that means 2 is to 3 means if boys are 2, girls are 3. It can be 2 is to 3 can be written as, if I write 2 by 3, I multiply 2 into 2 and 3 into 2. That is equal to 4 by 6. So this means if there are 4 boys, there will be 6 girls. Clear? Okay. Now let us quickly start with some of the examples, solved examples of exercise 12.1. Question number 1 is, out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of number of students liking football to the number of students liking tennis, and B part is number of students liking cricket to total number of students. So here it is written, according to the question I have written, total number of students, we should be very much clear about what are the things given. So it's very much clear that the total number of students are 30. Clear? Number of students who like football are 6. I have written that. And number of students who like cricket is equal to 12. Now I have to find out the number of students who like tennis because the number is not mentioned. So what is step number 1? We will add these two, that is 6 plus 12, which is equal to 18, and in step number 2 we will subtract it from the total, that is 30. So 30 minus 18 is equal to 12. So that means 12 students like tennis. Now let us come to the question. It's given, find the ratio of number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. So football to number of liking students who like tennis is, football it is 6 and for tennis it is 12. So 6 by 12 we will cancel, both are divisible by 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are. So you got 1 upon 2, that is 1 is to 2. So the required ratio is 1 is to 2. Ratio of number of students liking cricket to total number of students. So cricket is 12 and total number of students is 30. So both are divisible by 6. 6 twos are 12, 6 fives are 30. So you got 2 is to 5. Now let us come to the second question. Distance travelled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Now what is given? It is given that distance travelled by Hamid is how much? 9 km, and that too in an hour. In an hour means in 1 hour. So time taken is 1 hour. Distance travelled is 9 km. Clear? Now we know the formula of speed is distance travelled by time taken. So it is 9 km by 1 hour, or we can write 9 km per hour. Per means, okay, 1. Similarly for Akhtar also we have done the same, and finally we reach 12 km per hour. And according to the question, we have to find the ratio of these two. That is speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. So it's 9 km per hour by 12 km per hour. This will get cancelled. You got 9 by 12. Both are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 3 4s are. So you got 3:4. Next, find the ratio of following. 98 to 63. This is absolutely clear, I hope. Both are divisible by 7. You got 14:9. Here 33 km to 121 km. First we'll cancel the units. Both are divisible by 11. So the final ratio is 3:11. Question number 4. Find the ratio of the following, that is 30 minutes to 1.5 hour. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1.5 hour means we will multiply 1.5 with 60. Okay, so that's why it is 90 minutes. Okay, now we will find out the ratio. 30 minutes to 1.5 hour means 30 minutes to 90. Cancel, cancel. We got 30 by 90. 0, 0 will cancel. We got 3 by 9. Both are divisible by 3. 1 by 3 you got. That is 1:3. Next one is 55 paise to rupee 1. Okay. Now we know rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. So therefore 55 paise to rupee 1 we will be writing. Always keep in mind, whenever you are finding out the ratio or whenever you are solving any problem, the unit should be same. Before calculation, check this. Clear? So we have converted the units. So 55 paise by 100 paise, both are divisible by 5. 5 11s are 5 20s are. So you got 11:20. Now let us come to the next part, that is question number 5. In a year, Seema earns rupees 1,50,000 and saves rupees 50,000. Find the ratio of money that Seema earns to money she saves and money that she saves to money she spends. As I told you, always keep in mind, first of all we will write whatever is given. It is given Seema's earnings is rupees 1,50,000. Her savings, this is her savings, that is rupees 50,000. So her expenditure means how much money she has spent, or money she spends is equal to 1,50,000 minus her savings, that is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees she already has spent. Okay, so the three things are clear. This is her earning, ये इसने कमाया है, ये इसने बचाया है और ये इसने खर्च किया है. Expenditure means खर्च करना. So now we have to find out the ratio of money that Seema earns, मतलब कितना उसने कमाया है, to the money she saves, कितना उसने बचाया है. Okay, so it's 1,50,000 divided by 50,000. All these zeros, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. You are left, rupees will cancel. You are left with 15 by 5. Both are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So you got 3:1. Similarly, ratio of money that she saves to the money she spends, that is rupees saves how much she saves? She saves 50,000. And how much she spends, that we have calculated, that is 1 lakh. So again 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Rupees cancel. 5 by 10, both are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5 2s are. So you got 1:2. Finally, let us come to the last question. Very simple. Out of 4,320, these many are girls. Naturally, we can easily calculate how many boys are there. We will subtract the 2. See, here we have subtracted and we got the number of boys. This is the number of girls. This is the total number of students. Now we can easily find the ratio. Number of girls. Always keep in mind, whichever is coming first, that has to be in the numerator. Keep in mind, number of girls, this is the numerator. Clear? 2300. And total number of students, it will be in the denominator. Okay. Finally, we got both are divisible by 2. Okay. And we got 115 is to 216. Clear? Next one is ratio of number of boys to number of girls. So ratio of number of boys to number of girls, boys, it's quite clear. How many boys are there? 2020. And how many number of girls are there? 2300. Okay, and 00 will get cancelled. You got 202 by 230. Finally, this is the answer. And ratio of number of boys. Always keep in mind, first thing numerator, second thing denominator. Clear? So, number of boys is 2020 upon 4320. Finally, divisible by 2 and we got how much? 101 is to 260. Okay, thank you.